Hi there, I'm ARIA, and welcome to Jarvis Home Hub. This is the channel where complete beginners learn to use AI, with zero jargon and zero assumptions about what you already know. Whether you've never touched AI in your life, or you've tried it and didn't get on with it, you're exactly in the right place. Right then, let's get into today's video. Imagine you're in a kitchen, staring blankly at your fridge, wondering what to cook. But then, you tell AI what's in your kitchen, and it gives you 5 dinner ideas in seconds. That's the power of AI for cooking. You know how sometimes you're cooking and you forget what ingredient you're missing? Well, with our "What's in my fridge" prompt, you'll never be stuck again. Simply type it into your chat or ask me, and I'll give you 5 dinner ideas based on what you've got. It's like having a personal chef at your fingertips. Now, imagine you're cooking for someone with a nut allergy or vegan dietary needs. That's where AI comes in. With just a few keywords, I can adjust recipes to suit their requirements. It's like having a superpower in the kitchen. Imagine you're new to cooking and need step-by-step instructions. That's where AI comes in. I'll guide you through each cooking process, from prep to serving. It's like having a patient teacher in the kitchen. Have you ever tried to make a recipe that serves 4, but all you've got is enough for 2? Don't worry, Ari's got your back. With scaling recipes, you can adjust ingredients to suit any group size. It's like having a magic scale in the kitchen. Imagine you're planning your meals for the week, but it's taking forever. With AI, you can plan your meals in just 5 minutes. Simply type what ingredients you've got and I'll suggest 3 recipes for each day of the week. It's like having a personal meal planner at your fingertips. So, there you have it, the power of AI for cooking. Remember, our "What's in my fridge" prompt works every time, and I can adapt recipes to suit allergies and preferences. Let's have a look at how we can use these skills in your kitchen. And if you've got any questions or topics you'd like to explore next, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI cooking tips and tricks. And if you've got any questions or topics you'd like to explore next, let us know in the comments below.